My Nigerian father don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. And make a sharply yarn on a son to the website. It just happened. The family of the 22-year-old lady one named Kabirat Shobolu. The website she buy for inside her room on Friday, February 4th, 2023 for inside Abeokuta. The family don't come out to come the yano. Say police not they do enough to touchlight the matter to make sure say they go know what to buy their own picking. Nigerians they don't they react after with the Minister of Aviation when named Hadith Sirika come out to come and say they spent over 12 billion naira to buy 10 firefighter trucks them for inside Nigeria. As plenty Nigerians come they ask and say whether na air fire they won't go quench. Omilan bandit they don't go bus enter inside female hostel, come kidnap 2 female students them of Federal University Gasau for inside Zamfara State early in the morning around 1 a.m. on Sunday, April 2nd, 2023 for Sabogida village inside Bogudu local government area of Zamfara State. The Independent National Electoral Commission will be INEC don carry 9 senior advocates of Nigeria to help them defend the result of the February 25th presidential election. And yesterday, Sunday, April 2nd, now they come out come yarn this talk. After one audio call leaky, where we said the Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi they talk with the senior pastor of Living Faith Church, will be Bishop David Oyedepo. But some Nigerians they will say that they into high technology company don't come out to come yarn. That's after they touchlight the video of the audio call. So they can see say na technology now they use. They doctor the voice. Why Bishop Oyedepo come out to come talk? Say never try him at all to campaign for any political party and he no go do him until we say he go heaven.
When I hear this your call and prayers, that is very dear to me. And like I keep saying, if this works, you people will never regret this support.
The Lagos State Metropolitan and Transport Authority will be Lamata don't come out to come here concerning the video we done on top social media where we say some people they push the blue line rail for inside Marina Lagos State as they come out to come here. Say na old video where we say the contractor and the staff then they walk on the train during when they bring the train for the first time enter inside Nigeria. And yesterday, April 2nd, 2023, now they yarn this talk. One fuel tanker don't catch fire from top the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway bridge wey make every traffic come dey yesterday on Sunday, April 2nd, 2023 around that kind 4 p.m. as travelers them come even dey stranded for the hold up. After with the National Broadcasting Commission sanction come find Channels Television with 5 million naira, but Channels Television don't come out come answer them all. Say nobody go fit silent them, say because the work wey they do na to make sure say they will give Nigeria better information.
I want to take a moment to acknowledge the challenges that we as a media industry are facing in Nigeria. Events of the past days have created an environment of fear and uncertainty and threatened the freedom of speech and the integrity of the media landscape. But despite these challenges, we as journalists and broadcasters remain committed to our duty to inform, educate, and entertain our audience.
The Nigerian singer wey be Charlie Boy, aka Charles Oputa, don't come out to come yarn saying survive the prostate cancer. Since come yarn on top in Instagram page on April 2nd, 2023 on Sunday. Say this fight of the sickness, they done they fight them for 10 days now.
Yeah, today I'm being discharged from the hospital. Yeah, you heard me right. I'm in the hospital, you see? Yes.
Fire don't come burn one warehouse of Bodley Company for Sapara Street off Obakran Avenue, Ikeja, Lagos. As the fire starts around 8:58 a.m. on Sunday, April 2nd, 2023. The Nigeria Ogbonge icon singer wey name be Ebenezer Obey Fabiyi don come celebrate im 81 years birthday today on Monday, April 3rd, 2023, and na him post this picture on top im Instagram page. Plenty Chelsea fans they don dey happy dey jubilate after wey they sack their head coach wey im name be Graham Potter yesterday, Sunday, April 2nd, 2023. The South African housemate one name be Kosi don win the Big Brother Titans reality TV show and she win around the price of $100,000 yesterday, Sunday, April 2nd, 2023.
The winner of Big Brother Season 1 is
Now Bishop News O'clock, my name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.